are diverting all the pain and disappointment into leveling yourself up these days. So I think you're going through that glow and grow period, Taurus, and you have been working very hard on yourself. And that glow and the grow, you are growing, people will be complimenting you, like if you meet somebody now, they might tell you things like, you have changed a lot, Taurus, and you're doing good for yourself. So yeah, like somebody kind of walked away from you, or they were just a disappointment basically in your life. I think this person has ghosted you, I don't know. But in spite of everything, you're just very focused on your own growth and on your own self. Some of you, maybe you're doing a lot of DIYs these days. You're taking care of your skin. You are working on your health. You're hitting gym. You're eating, you're eating well, eating healthy. So these days, you are your own priority. And your money is your priority. Your stability is your priority. So you are being your own Taurus self, We have Gemini season from tomorrow. So till today, we have Taurus season, I believe. I have to check. Alright. Give me the blockage that Taurus had with this person. What was the blockage? What was the blockage? 10 of 1. Okay, so the blockage was that this person never did the work. You were dealing with someone who was very immature. Like, you really hoped for a be-all, end-all. You were planning for marriage, but this person, they were not even doing the work. Like, they were just putting all the responsibility of the connection on your shoulders. So you were the one which actually kept on dragging the connection. And the moment you left it, it broke. Or the moment you dropped the burden, nobody carried it. That kind of thing. Somebody was just taking you for granted, and they were kind of taking you for granted because they always knew that you are going to do the work for them as well. Taurus, why did you put yourself in that position? Why do you give that kind of security to somebody? Like, why do you make people sit on your head? Because I definitely see you made somebody sit on your head. And for some of you, I see with the 10 of Wands, maybe you're dealing with someone who's very much busy with their career. Ace of Wands and 10 of Pentacles. You are headed towards a new beginning, which is going to be very solid. Some of you, your money is going to improve drastically with 3 of Pentacles. So as I already said, you have skills that you are going to monetize. From 3 of Pentacles, you go to 9 of Pentacles, and then you reach the 10 of Pentacles. So you see how your money is going to improve? Because you have acquired some skills, or you will be acquiring some skills that are going to help you. And I see that you're heading towards a new beginning, which is going to be a lot stable. So from 10 of Wands, you're going to 10 of Pentacles. The moment you drop the burden that you have been carrying for a very long time of everybody else, the moment you lose that, the moment you get rid of that burden, you're going to get towards this new beginning. From 10 of Wands, become 1 of Wands. The Ace of Wands, basically. You have been carrying 10 wands here. It's asking you to carry only yourself. Just carry your own wand. Why do you want to carry everybody else's wand, Taurus? Stop doing that. When you will make yourself a priority, this abundance is going to come into your life. Some of you, the problem is that because this person ghosted you or did not give you the clarity with the 2 of Swords here, you are finding for answers, and you have been finding answers so much that you have basically overburdened yourself with disappointments or whatever it is. And it's asking you to let go of that. Like, why are you disappointing yourself? Come out of it. Look for a new opportunity, Taurus. It has been a very long time that you have been going back and forth with this person. And it's not leading you anywhere. See, we have 9 and 9 and 10 and 10. From 9, come to 10. Come to a completion. Don't keep things waiting. It has been a long time. Somebody is not making you a priority. Leave them. Okay, what else? What is coming towards Taurus in love? I also see that there is someone who wants to have an equal give and take with you. Could be a Libra, could be a fire sign, could be an earth sign for some of you. Like, there is someone who really admires you, and they also think that you are a catch. But you're not even paying attention because you're so overburdened by the situation. You're not looking at opportunities around you. And some of you, see again, 9 of Swords. You are just very consumed in the negativity. Like, this person has done you wrong and you cannot accept it. The first part of healing is acceptance. You can only heal when you accept that somebody did you wrong, and that's okay. It's fine. It was your lesson. You learned it and you're moving on. It's very important, you know. I also see that somebody misses you with the 9 of Swords. Can be someone's energy. Could be an air sign that did you wrong and is now missing you because they missed the opportunity with you. Like somebody thinks that they missed an opportunity with you. Give me some energy about this person. Who is this person and what are they thinking? For a one, see, yeah, somebody is missing the good times with you and they regret the fact that they acted very immature. You were dealing with someone who you wanted a commitment from, and this person was basically a kid. So you were hoping for a commitment from a kid and they were just keeping you in dark. But I see a new beginning coming in. I'm sorry. I see that somebody is missing the good times with you and they kind of miss how they acted immature and they fucked the whole situation basically. This person also knows that you're moving on one day at a time. Like wherever you were with them, maybe an year ago or 9 months ago, you have gone a very far position from there. So it's like they know that they have kind of lost you basically. Some of you, this person also sees that you have been hustling really hard in your career or finances. So they kind of know that you're going to be closed off if they try to come back. And some of you, you're completely closed off to the idea of love. You can definitely have a very good love situation, like a platonic give and take kind of relationship if you open yourself, Taurus. I urge you to open up to love once again. I know that you have been wronged in the past and you are very scared these days. You're like really paranoid. Like you keep on looking for love, but as soon as somebody makes a move, you're like, no, don't come towards me. Or you're just kind of scared to give someone a chance. Stop doing that. Some of you just want to take it one step at a time. So like you don't want to rush it this time. You're so scared that you don't want to rush it. But see, somebody really adores you. Could be a water sign, could be a Libra, could be fire sign, Aries could be there. But you don't want to like rush it. You just want to be very careful this time. You have made your mind basically that I'm not going to rush it. I'm not going to repeat my mistakes, you know. And there are some closure issues as well, 9 of Cups. There are some closure issues, like you still feel emotionally connected with your past. Not like you are missing them or something, but you feel that you invested a lot and it did not return anything in return. So some of you kind of sad about it. Okay, so what is the action of this person next towards Taurus? Oh, communication. Oh my god. Somebody is reaching towards you. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles and the 8 of Wands. I see somebody reaching out to you in next 8 to 10 days or 8 to 10 weeks. Could be a water sign, earth sign, fire sign, Aquarius. I see someone coming in really fast towards you. And this person thinks that maybe you have forgiven them. Like they have this misconception that maybe you've forgiven them. Or they know that you might forgive them. Somebody is very hopeful that the connection is going to work. And this is the same person who ghosted you or played with you. I don't know. Like they've done something nasty. Or maybe they just started ignoring you. Somebody just became unavailable to you. And now this person is... I think it's been a very long time with the Star card. And the 10 of Cups. I think it has been a very long time since you both have spoken to each other. Could be 9 months. For some of you, it could be 17 months. Okay, or 17 weeks. For sure, this looks more than a year actually. For very few of you, it's going to be a year or 9 months. But for others of you, I think it's going to be something that is there for more than a year. And I see somebody coming in really fast. And this person is very hopeful that you have changed now. And you might have forgiven them. I don't know. And you are like, are you crazy? Lovers. Somebody is very hopeful about you. Taurus. Could be a Gemini as well. This person has a lot of love, and I think they chose someone else over you in the past. Like, this person ghosted you because they cheated on you, and now they are like, now they want to come back, maybe because the third party is not working, or they are done with the third party, or now they are realizing your worth. Whatever it is, this person is returning back to you very fast. Very fast. Like, this is gonna come in 8 to 10 days maximum. Or 8 to 10 weeks for some of you. Like, if you have separated recently, then it could take a little longer. But yeah, I definitely see someone rushing in towards you. And when this person be talking to you, they are going to behave like they have not done in the past, not done anything in the past, or they have changed. And you might also wonder how people behave so weirdly after breaking somebody's heart. They just come back and they start confessing their feelings. Some of you are going to be very surprised as to how is this person behaving now after making you go through so much. Okay, so anything else for my Taurus? Two of Pentacles. Taurus, I also see that you have two options in life, or you soon will have two options. So one from the past and one a new person. Some of you already have a new person in life, or you will very soon. And the Lovers also shows options, choices. You have a choice to make in love, Taurus. Could be between a Gemini and an Aquarius. Could be a water sign, Aquarius, Gemini. I don't know which sign are you dealing with, but you definitely are going to have a choice. So you decide which way you want to go. 6 of Wands. Your career and finance looks really good to me, by the way. Your image in society is improving, you know. Some of you, you're definitely getting to a place which is more stable and more better than what you used to be earlier. So feel grateful for that. Anything else? Nine of Pentacles. Your focus is stability and money a lot these days, and somebody is coming in towards you for sure. And that's maybe because the third party is not working, or they are fed up of the third party, or something. I don't know, something about third party not working out, and this person is regretting or realizing how you were better. Something about that. Somebody is making their move back into your life. Deception. And this is the one who deceived you, ghosted you, cheated on you. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Heart-to-heart conversation. Deception and forgiving. This person deceived you and now they want your forgiveness because the third party is not working. This person is going to have a heart-to-heart with you. Oh my god, Taurus. After breaking your trust, after putting you through so much of shit, this person is looking for a forgiveness. Some of you might forgive them. For others of you, you might go for the new option because you also have a new person coming in. Or the person is already in your life and now you have to choose. Some of you, I think you have more than two choices, to be honest. So it's not two people, it's more than two people. So you choose, make a wise choice. I will see you very soon in the next video. Let me know who you choose in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.